Hello, this is your quick start guide to Livestock the application. First of all, go to livestock.org and you'll be presented with a web page with a login button on the top right corner of your screen. Clicking login will bring you to the landing page of Livestock the application. If you don't have a Google account, clicking here will walk you through the process of creating a new Google account. Otherwise, click sign in with Google. And here you'll be presented with a spot to put in your Google email and password. And that's all there is to the sign up process. Now our system will sync with your Google and you'll be presented with the Livestock Quick Start Guide. The Livestock Quick Start Guide gives you overall features of the application as well as best practices to get the best usage of the system. Clicking on these bubbles will walk you through the Quick Start Guide. And once you get to the end, you'll be presented with a Start Livestock. The first screen you'll get after the tutorial is the digital assistant. Here you can interact with the digital assistant by uploading your images, speaking voice commands, and sending in a text message. In this case, you'll see that the user uploaded an image of this cow-calf pair, and Livestock came back with these green squares. Clicking on the green squares will automatically create a record based on the data it found within the image. Like in this case, it found cow 645, automatically created a preview picture, and added the information it found to the record. Now you can fine-tune this record by coming through here, like if you know who the offspring is. Clicking on this will give you a selection where you can actually select the offspring tied to that livestock. Same thing goes with mother and sires. If you know the mother and sires, you can actually click on the box and actually select the records that you want to tie to the account. Now that these records are tied to the account, you can always just click on these records and it'll automatically open up these records for you to review at any point in time. So like in the case of cow 645, now we can actually open up her record and actually review any of her offspring and even review the sire that actually made this cow who it is. Once you're done creating the record, clicking on the checkbox will actually save the record. Clicking the X will discard all your changes. And that's all there is to the record creation process from an image. Once you're done creating all your livestock, you can actually come to the Review tab, where you can see all the livestock at a moment's glance. You can actually organize them, put them into other records, minimize these records if you actually only care about a certain group, and even if you don't want to use the image process, you can actually create new records from scratch from here as well. And that's all there is to the record keeping and organization parts of Livestock the application. Once you're all done creating all your records, you can click on the Report tab at any time and see an overall statistics of all the livestock within your system, overall and even organized by group. Thank you so much for your time, and please stay tuned for future videos where we go a deeper dive into all the features within the Livestock application.